What's up, everybody? Now we got this GPR exhaust installed. My God, it sounds good. I'm really happy with it overall. For just a slip-on, it makes a world of difference in the sound. And I do have to say, GPR exhausts, like, their customer service was awesome. They shipped it here really quick, all the way from Italy. Yeah, I mean, if you want an Italian bike, I'd check them out, because they make a pretty good product, and they all come covered with a 2-year warranty, which is pretty sweet. It's a beautiful San Diego morning. We're just gonna hit up one of my favorite little roads and kind of test out how the bike sounds now, how it runs. The only thing left to do now is install the new air filter, which I haven't really wanted to get around to because that involves taking the tank off. But we need to do that. When we get that done, we should see a little bit of a performance boost. Not much, but definitely gain some sound. Very happy with the sound of this bike right now. Please be going straight, truck. And man, she sounds good. A little dirty. Man, I love it. It just gives it that nice, mean Italian, like, growly sound. Like that aggressive growl. L-Twin is sounding good, man. This is my turn. Pop on the DXL, it's good from the overrun. I've noticed now between the HealTech servo eliminator and the GPR exhaust is that I can have the bike below the below 4,000 and the bike feels okay. So what I mean by that is this bike before, if you were below 4,000 RPM, it just basically wanted to die and it would chug along. But now I can be below those RPMs and the throttle will feel just fine. Let's see if I can get it down below. I mean, I'm at 3,000 right now and the bike's fine. It's nice and smooth, like it should be. Oh man, I love that popping. Let's do a little 0 to 60 here. Or, you know what, we'll do it. Let's do a little 20 to 80. Yeah, that sounds great. That wasn't even full throttle. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Look at that. Love this place up here. There's the popping. Yeah, on the overrun it sounds so good. That's my new exhaust. I'm CP Rides, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Keep the rubber side down.